Nestled in the heart of South Florida, Kendall offers a picturesque setting of lush landscapes, vibrant communities, and beautiful homes. To further elevate the charm of a Kendall home, few architectural features make as striking an impact as bay windows. These elegant and functional windows bring a blend of sophistication and practicality that enhances both the interior and exterior appeal of a house. Here's how bay windows can transform the look and feel of your Kendall home. Creating a timeless elegance. Bay windows have a classic charm that transcends architectural trends, making them a timeless addition to any home. Their design, featuring 3 panels extending outward, creates depth and character that draws the eye. For Kendall homeowners seeking to blend modern sensibilities with traditional grace, bay windows strike the perfect balance, enhancing a home's overall aesthetic. Elevating curb appeal. The exterior of your home is the first impression visitors and passers-by get, and bay windows can significantly boost its curb appeal. The outward projection adds dimension and visual interest, making your home stand out in Kendall's vibrant neighborhoods. Whether paired with classic stucco or contemporary finishes, bay windows exude a sophisticated charm that enhances your home's architectural style. Maximizing natural light. Kendall enjoys abundant sunshine year-round, and bay windows are designed to take full advantage of it. Their unique structure allows sunlight to stream into your home from multiple angles, creating a bright and inviting interior. The enhanced natural light not only reduces the need for artificial lighting during the day but also creates a warm and cheerful ambiance that complements the sunny South Florida lifestyle. Showcasing scenic views. With its lush green spaces, tree-lined streets, and well-manicured gardens, Kendall offers plenty of scenic beauty to enjoy. Bay windows provide a panoramic view of your surroundings, acting as a frame for nature's artistry. Whether you're overlooking a backyard oasis or the vibrant energy of the neighborhood, bay windows bring the outdoors inside, making your living spaces feel more connected to the environment. Adding interior versatility. The extended space created by bay windows offers endless possibilities for interior design. The ledge can be transformed into a cozy reading nook with plush cushions, a stylish seating area for morning coffee, or a display space for plants, books, or decorative items. This added versatility allows Kendall homeowners to personalize their living spaces while maximizing functionality. Enhancing room perception. Bay windows create an illusion of greater space, making even smaller rooms feel larger and more open. The outward projection and influx of light add depth and dimension, giving your rooms an airy and expansive feel. This feature is particularly valuable for Kendall homes, where optimizing space and light enhances the overall living experience. Complementing diverse architectural styles. One of the remarkable features of bay windows is their versatility. They seamlessly blend with a variety of architectural styles. Whether your Kendall home is a Mediterranean-inspired villa, a mid-century modern retreat, or a contemporary masterpiece, bay windows can be customized to match the aesthetic. From classic wood frames to sleek, minimalist finishes, bay windows can be tailored to suit your home's unique character. Increasing property value. Adding bay windows to your Kendall home isn't just an aesthetic upgrade, it's an investment in your property's value. Real estate experts often emphasize that homes with distinctive features, such as bay windows, are more appealing to potential buyers. The enhanced curb appeal, improved natural light, and additional interior space contribute to a higher perceived value, making your home stand out in the competitive Kendall market. Connecting indoor and outdoor living. Kendall homeowners often cherish the blend of indoor comfort and outdoor beauty. Bay windows help bridge this connection by creating a sense of openness and flow. The large panes of glass invite the outdoors inside, while the outward projection creates a seamless transition between your interior spaces and the surrounding environment. Personalization opportunities. Bay windows can be customized to reflect your personal style. Choose from a variety of materials, finishes, and configurations to match your home's aesthetic. Consider adding built-in seating, decorative curtains, or plantation shutters to enhance the charm and functionality of your bay windows. The ability to personalize these features ensures that your Kendall home remains uniquely yours. Conclusion. Bay windows are more than just a design element. They're a transformative feature that enhances the aesthetic appeal, functionality, and value of your Kendall home. From increasing natural light and showcasing stunning views to creating versatile interior spaces and boosting curb appeal, bay windows offer a range of benefits that align perfectly with the lifestyle and beauty of Kendall. If you're ready to elevate the charm of your home, consider adding bay windows to your next renovation or new build project. Work with a trusted local professional to explore styles and options that best suit your Kendall home, and enjoy the timeless elegance and practical benefits of this architectural gem.